Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing due for this Sunday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe, especially out in Cali. Those that are infected. Definitely some scary stuff with those fires out there. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing due. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's free shipping and fast. Especially now it's free to all members, new members, and ooh, we got here 3D screen protector, camera lens protector. Oh, nice. For Galaxy 9. So definitely if you got the 9, got the Lion. Not our Lions. Protect screen, full adhesive, highly responsive, case friendly, sweet. Boom, easy to use. Got all the good stuff right there. No bubbles, warranty. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Right here. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Boom. Now this is the case. You're going to put it over your phone while you apply the screen protector. Got the squeegee. We have the dust off or dust swab. And we're going to apply this one first, then second dry it off. Pretty easy. I'll show you how it's done. And what do we have here? What is this? Huh. Alright, there we go. Oh, the camera. Focus. Protector. Sweet. Never had one of those before. So thank you guys over at RU Premium 9H. Not sure where this comes from. Oh, Techbound. Awesome logo though. That is definitely cool. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. We got this. Now here is my phone. I'm gonna shut it off. Actually, you gotta go into the sensitivity level. Whoops. Don't want to show you my password. Go in your settings. If I can find them. So many apps. There we go. Settings on top. It's under for sensitivity. You gotta turn the sensitivity level on. Hold on one sec. Alright, if you can't find it right away, just type in under search the touch sensitivity. It's right there, down at the bottom. Just want to turn it on. Then you're gonna want to back out. Shut it off. Turn it back on in a few seconds. I'm gonna get the wipes ready. So wipe 1. I'm gonna unplug my original case. There we go. That's my case that I bought. I'm gonna wipe my screen down. Give it a nice clean. Alright. So now you put this somehow. Hold on one sec. Let me pause. Alrighty, we are back. I am restarting my phone. I'm going to use a wipe 1. Give it clean down. So definitely check them out. These would be great stocking stuffers. Anyone in the family, friends. Here we go. Tiny little square. Let's give it a good wipe. Wipe it down nice and nice. Then step 2, you're going to want to do the dry one. Put that aside. And then step 2 will be down here. This one, number 2. Dry it off. There we go. Oops. Should be looking pretty good right there. Right about now. Here we go. That's good. Alright. So, dust absorb. Take this. Make sure there's no little dust on the screen. There we go. Make sure you put that back. Get that out of the way. And now, protector. Okay, make sure it's lined up. Full glue the side. Please peel before, alright? Ooh, this is nice. Look at that. You want to put it down. Bada boom. Take a squeegee. Make sure all the bubbles are out. But once you get it applied, it'll be all good. It's really easy to do. Yeah. Then Got it. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. We got the full touch or Techbound armor, Amazon Prime. You guys have a good day. Be safe and see you guys soon. See ya.